Today, we are talking about how to create a room in ProptechOS. First, choose the building where you'd like to create a new room. Once you've picked the right building on the map, click on the Explore button and select the story you want to create the room on. Next, it's time to create your room. Click on the plus sign and you'll be prompted to give your room a name. Choose a name that you'll easily remember. And don't forget to add any formal or technical designations, like a room number in the litera field. The building and story are already selected, but change them if needed. We have pre-selected the coordinates for you, but you can adjust them as needed. Finally, choose a room type to make it easier to filter or group similar rooms. Once you've made all your selections, click the Create button and your new room will be ready to use. And that's it! You've successfully created a new room in your chosen building and story. If you need additional assistance, feel free to contact us via email, support@proptechos.com. Thanks for watching.